Another day, another story. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of optimizing a website or online content to increase its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and authority of websites and pages, and SEO involves making changes to a website's structure, content, and other factors to improve its chances of ranking higher in search results for specific keywords and phrases. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid traffic to a website and improve its overall online visibility, leading to more leads, sales, or other conversions. SEO techniques may include optimizing on-page elements like title tags and meta descriptions, creating high-quality content, building links from other websites, and improving website speed and user experience.